Welcome to this tutorial on Jump Game 2. Today, we are going to explore the greedy approach to solve this classic coding problem efficiently. Here is the problem. You are given an array of non-negative integers. Each number tells you the maximum distance you can jump from that position. Your goal is to reach the very last index of the array in the minimum number of jumps possible. Let's visualize what the numbers mean. At index 0, we have the value 2. This means from here, we can jump to index 1 or index 2. We cannot go further than that. Every value simply defines a window of reachable indices. Why do we use a greedy approach? Instead of calculating every single path, which is slow, we make the locally optimal choice. At any point, we just want to know, which landing spot allows me to go the farthest in my next step? This is the core of the greedy strategy. Think of the algorithm as scanning layers. We are currently at a certain jump count. We have a current range we can reach. We scan every index in that range to find the farthest point reachable for the next level. Once we hit the end of our current range, we increment our jumps and update our range. Let's trace this. We start at index 0 with a value of 2. Our current range covers index 1 and index 2. We haven't jumped yet, but to move forward, we must jump once. So, we are preparing to scan indices 1 and 2 to see which one is the better launching pad. We check the options. Index 1 has a value of 3. From there, we can reach index 4. Index 2 has a value of 1. From there, we can only reach index 3. Comparing the two, index 1 gives us a greater reach, so our new maximum reach is index 4. We have finished scanning our current range. We update our variables. We increment the jump count to 1. Our new current end becomes index 4. Since index 4 is the last index, we know we can reach the end. Here is the code logic. We iterate through the array. We constantly update the farthest variable. When our loop index, I, reaches the current end, it means we have finished checking all possibilities for the current jump. So, we increment the jump counter and update current end to the new farthest point we found. This solution is very efficient. The time complexity is big O of n because we pass through the array exactly once. The space complexity is big O of 1 because we only use a few variables to track our state, regardless of the array size. To summarize, the greedy strategy works by always picking the jump that extends your reach the most. It acts like a breadth-first search, but without the memory overhead of a queue. It is an optimal linear time solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.